Good morning, everyone. Today you learn exercise 3D, question 2. Your question 2, state the property used in each of the following statements. You have some statement where first statement 19 into 17 equal to 17 into 19. At the first, I write out all statements. Second, 16 into 32 is a whole number. Is a whole number. Third statement, 29 into 36 into 18 equal to 29 into 36 into 18. Your fourth statement, 14 into 1480 into 1 equal to 1480. Your fifth statement, 1732 1732 into 0 equal to 0. Your sixth statement, 72 into 98 plus 72 into 2 equal to 72 into 98 plus 2. Statement 7, 63 into 126 minus 63 into 26 equal to 63 into 123 minus 126 minus 26. So you have 7 statements. You have 7 statements and write the property. You learned in previous class many types of property for multiply of a whole number. So you write which type of property in this sentence. You write the name of property. You write the name of property. You see first A into B and B into A. You see first statement A into B equal to B into A. So this property is known as commutative law of मल्टी. सिर्फ आप CL लिख दीजिए. CL मीन्स कम्यूटेटिव लॉ का यूज किया गया है इसमें. CL मीन्स कम्यूटेटिव लॉ ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी से A इंटू बी इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए. तो ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. थर्ड है सेकेंड है आपका A इंटू बी है. ओनली A इंटू बी है तो ओनली A इंटू बी होगा. तो ओनली A इंटू बी को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? आई राइट दिस आंसर here. फर्स्ट में हम लिखेंगे, पूरा लिख लेते हैं, कॉम्यूटेटिव लॉ। सेकेंड आपका हो जाएगा क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी। Why? Because here you see A into B only. So second statement use closure property. Come on, third property and third equation statement. Here you see third statement, A into B in bracket into C equal to A into B into C. This property is known as associative law. This property known as associative law. So here you write associative law. Okay. Come forth, write their property. If any whole number multiply by 1, you learn any whole number multiply by 1, this property is known as you write here you write for multiplicative identity of 1. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं क्या कि A into 1, this law means you write 1 is multiplicative identity of whole number, because here you see whole number A is multiplied by 1. So this property name is multiplicative identity of a whole number. Come 5, here you see a whole number multiplied by 0. Here you see a whole number multiplied by 0. So बोर्ड पे नहीं देते, बोर्ड से हटा देते हैं। Write their fourth property. 1 is multiplicative identity of whole number. In fifth statement, you say a whole number multiply by 0. So write, you learn in any whole number multiply by 0, your product is 0. अगर कोई भी होल नंबर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो 0 होगा. So you write a into 0 equal to 0 for every whole number. For every whole number a, you see sixth statement. Your sixth statement, here you see a into b, you write here a into b plus c. A into b plus a into, here you see a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. This law means, this law, distributive law, you write distributive law of multiplication over addition. आपने पढ़ा था डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ में कि अगर प्लस होगा तो a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी इक्वल टू a इंटू इन ब्रैकेट b प्लस c. एंड योर लास्ट स्टेटमेंट a इंटू बी माइनस a इंटू c equal to a into b minus c. It is also distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. In question 2, you write their property. क्वेश्चन 2 में आपको जो स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ था उसका प्रॉपर्टी लिखना था, और प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग पहले ही प्रीवियस क्लास में ही लर्न कर चुके हैं कि कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी कब होगा. नाउ कम क्वेश्चन 3. सम क्वेश्चन you have and solve using distributive law. Question 3. You have some questions, solve using distributive law. आपके पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसे आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ से सॉल्व करना है. You have first question, 647 into 13 plus 647 into 7. So student, you learn in distributive law a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. You learn in distributive law of multiplication over addition. आपने पढ़ चुका है कि a into b plus a into c equal to a into in bracket B plus C. So you take value of first A. So you have A 647 and take the value of B. You have value of B equal to 13 and value of C equal to 7. हम जो ये क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे ये डायरेक्ट हम लोग नहीं बनाएंगे, हम लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ का यूज करना होगा और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ में a इंटू बी प्लस ए इंटू सी इक्वल टू ए इंटू बी प्लस सी होता है. तो फर्स्ट यू टेक वैल्यू ऑफ ए 647 and take value of b equal to 13 and value of c equal to 7. So first you use bracket. So here if you add 13 plus 7 we get 20. So you write here 20 and multiply by 20. If you multiply by 20, 7 2 ja 14, carry 1, 4 2 ja 8, 1 9, no carry, 6 2 ja 12. You take 0. So your answer is 12,940. So you solve using distributive law. From question 2, you have number, question 2 you have number 8,759 into 94 plus 8,759 into 6. So student, here you see A into B plus A into C. So you learn in distributive law A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus C. So first you take value of A. Your value of A 8,759 multiply taking bracket 94 value of B and take value of C 6. If you add we get 8,759 into 100. So you write here 8,75,900. Come question 3. It's so important question. You have 7,459 into 99 plus 7,459. The student, here you see the value of A into B plus A into note C. So you take 1 because if you multiply by any whole number into 1 we get same whole number. So you take here value of C equal to 1. So here you see A into B plus A into C. So in distributive law A into B plus C. So take the first value of A 7,459 into 999 plus 1. If you add, we get 1000. So you multiply 7459 with 1000, we get 7459000. Means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 74 lakh 59,000. Okay. Come next question. Your question 4. You have number 9870 into 561 minus 9870 into 461. The student, here you see A into B minus A into C. In distributive law, for subtraction you learn A into B minus C. A into B minus C. You learn in distributive law for subtraction. So first you take the value of A, your value of A 9870 into take value of B 561, take symbol minus and take the value of C 461. If you subtract, we get 100. Okay, so you multiply by 100, we get 9,87,000. Here you write equal. Say question 5. You have a number 569 into 17 plus 569 into 13 plus 569 into 70. So students, here you see A into B, okay, plus A into C plus A into D. So you see the A is common. A is common. So you write here A into and take B plus C plus D. A into B plus C plus D. So first you take the value of, first you write the value of A, your value of A equal to 569. So here you write the value of A 569 into take value of B. So your value of B is 17. Take value of C 13 and take value of D 70. if you add, we get 100. So 569 into 100. Your product 56900 means 56,900. Now your last question, question 3. $16,825 into 16,825 minus 16,825 into 16,000, no 16,000, only 6,825. So students, here you see A into B minus A into C. So A into B minus A into C, you write A into B minus C. So take value of A 16,825 into take value of B 16,825 minus you take value of C 6,825. If you subtract, we get 1,0,0,0. And if you multiply, your product obtained 16,825 and 40. Clear? Come question 4. Determine each of the following product. No question. Yes, question 4. Determine each of the following product by suitable rearrangement. आपको rearrangement करना है. rearrange करना है. इस तरह से rearrange करना है कि प्रोडक्ट आपका 100 हो, 1000 हो या 10,000 हो, ताकि मल्टीप्लाई करने में आसान हो जाएगा. आपको ऐसे टू होल नंबर को लेना है. टेक एनी टू होल नंबर. फर्स्ट यू राइट क्वेश्चन 4. योर क्वेश्चन 2 into 1658 into 50. So you take two whole number, their product comes 100, 1000, 10,000 etc. So you take 1658 into 2 into 50. First you take 2 into 50 because you know 2 into 50 equal to 100. 1658 into 100 equal to 165800. 1,65,800. Comes question 2. Your question 2, 4 into 927 into 25. So you take first 4 into 25. So you write 927 into 4 into 25. 927 into 25 for the 100. So your product comes 92,700. So simple, student. Again, see question third. Your question third, 625 into 20 into 8 into 50. So you take the combination of 625 and 8 and take combination of 20 and 50. 625 into 8 into 20 into 50. You find the product of 625 into 625 and 8, and here you write the product of 20 and 50 and again multiply. You solve itself. आप इसे खुद से बनाएंगे. पहले 625 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ लिखेंगे और 20 को 50 से मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ लिखेंगे और दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा वो आप ऑब्टेन करेंगे. कम्स क्वेश्चन 4. You have 574. I give hint. 625 into 16. So you take first 574 into, take in bracket 625 into 16. You solve first 625 into 16 and their product and multiply with their product and 574 and their product and write their answer. Okay. आपको सबसे पहले 625 को 16 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा उस प्रोडक्ट को 574 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. कम्स क्वेश्चन 5. You have 250 into 60 into 50 into 8. So here you see the combination of 250 into 8 into 60 into 50. आप ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट निकाल के और फिर उसका मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे. ओके. कम्स क्वेश्चन 6. You have 8 into 125 into 40 into 25. You take the combination of 8 into 125 and combination of 40 into 25 and find their product and find their product. Again you multiply these product. आपको क्या करना है, 8 into 125 को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा वो लिखना है, फिर 40 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आएगा